Hello friends, welcome to Gardening with Creekside and this week's nursery tour. I will tell you a couple of things are going on. One, we're trying to beat a storm. It's, middle of July, North Carolina, thunderstorms are coming through. So we're gonna try to get this in really quickly. But it is a good thing that it is cloudy because Jenny had her eye visit today and my eyes are very dilated. So Jerry was like, you're gonna have to do this with your sunglasses, but the Lord provided clouds, so here we are. Okay, we have some fantastic specials here at the nursery that I'm excited to share with you. First of all, the Easyscapes. There is a video coming out very soon explaining this. We just happen to film them in the different order. So Easyscapes, you can go to easyscape.com and get more information. Basically, it's like a pre-made garden for you, like the recipe. But we're gonna come in here because we have got some fantastic deals on annuals for you. And that way we can get out of the wind. So here we are, North Carolina, middle of July. You absolutely can still be planting plants. I am doing it all of the time. You can get your annuals in the ground. You can do them in pots. You can do them in baskets. The possibilities are absolutely endless. So what we have a deal on all of the Proven Winner Grandes, right? So that's just kind of your standard Proven Winners cup. It is buy one, get one free. Whatever combination you want to use of your annuals, you absolutely can do that. The hanging baskets, you can see we've got some holes because people have been taking advantage of this. These are those 17-inch cocoa lined hanging baskets. They are going to be for $20. Fantastic. We've got the Medusas, like that Medusa over here is it is like a fantastic example. You can see how this Medusa is filling in and spilling over. These are going to be either sun and they can also go in shade. So if you've got an area that you want to fill in, replace, this would be a great one. And then those baskets, you can reuse them next year because they're such great containers. Caladiums are included on this special. So buy one, get one free. Mix and match. Caladiums love the heat and the humidity. Put them in the ground, put them in containers, put them in hanging baskets. There should be no bare spots in your garden because caladiums can fill them in and just do absolutely amazingly well. So we have got all of those. And then can you see the Coleus behind me? Look at these, just gorgeous. Now, are these tall? Yes, they are. Do they need to be pinched back? Yes, they do. But that's the beautiful thing about Coleus is that you can trim them down and they will fill in really quickly. So here comes the rain. It's a good thing we're in this greenhouse, huh? They will fill in beautifully. We had one of our great customers came today and was, he had just moved from Georgia here to North Carolina and he was wanting to go ahead and make some containers to kind of spruce up the house. And he was really thinking about like fall colors, right? Containers that would carry him into fall. He got lots of this fantastic Coleus. They are all going to be sun or shade containers, landscape, buy one, get one free. Here we have the Wicked Witch. We love Wicked Witch. It is a beautiful, beautiful plant. If you don't want to put any flowers in, you can do a container or a flower bed or whatever of just mixing Coleus together. That is a stunning combination. You don't have to have flowers to have beautiful color and interest. I feel like I need to shout, but I know that the microphone is picking up the noise, so I'll try not to shout. But this is what you call real life YouTubing right here. We're at the house and we're like, we really need to go get that video done before the storm hits. And oh well. So let's talk about some other plants. It's always fun around here. Fun times, fun times. I will say too, So yeah, so the caladiums, even the big containers are the buy one, get one free. Just this week, I put in a ton of caladiums into the landscape. It is not too hot. We're getting glorious rain right now. It is watering them. They do wonderful. So don't be afraid and think, oh, it's too hot. You know, the plants can't do it. They can. They absolutely can do it. So those are fantastic. This is a plant that I'm really excited about, and I'm going to take advantage before y'all come and snap them all up. I'm going to grab me some. This is the high noon Europsis, and this is a plant that does really, really well in the heat and the humidity of the South. So if you have crazy high temperatures, I know our sweet friends in Texas have been talking about that it's been really hot and really dry. This high noon does a great job in those kinds of conditions. And you can see that it's almost like a very small little daisy-like bloom on it. Really fun, really pretty, and just really bright and cheery. It does. Jerry was saying it pairs well with the angel face perfectly pink. It does. Fantastic. This pink, you're talking about getting lots of pollinators. It will love it. The euphorbia would be wonderful. We've got petunias. So if you're looking for petunias, the Terenia, you've seen me plant. This is that linen white, and this will do sun to shade. Terenia, if you've never done Terenia, it is a wonderful plant, very versatile. It's a trailer, or you can use it as a ground cover. So that is a great one. And then let's just take a moment and turn around and enjoy this gorgeous display of these SunPatiens. This, my friends, this is what you need. Just come. Get a tray of purple and a tray of white. You pay for one tray, you get one tray free. Put that in your landscape. Make a container. Gorgeous. And as soon as they get out of these containers, they're going to be like, we're free. And they are going to take off and be so incredibly happy. Cleome would be beautiful behind it. So you put these guys in front, and then you put Senorita Rosalita or Blanca behind it. Gorgeous. The pollinators love this Cleome. I have it by the front porch. They love it. So massive amounts of color. And the Gomphrena. Look at this true full of pink. So here we are in the greenhouse. There's a butterfly floating around here. This is a fantastic pollinator butterfly attractor. These are gallons. These are going to give you instant impact in your container or your landscape. Gorgeous, really pretty, as are the verbena. Look at that. This is the Superbena Sparkling Rosé. A really pretty pink, kind of bicolor, hot pink in the center, lighter pink with some white in there. Massive plants, fantastic landscape, all sorts of things. And we also have the white and the plum. And then there was a deep red down there as well. So all of these annuals are buy one, get one free. The gallons are $5. Sorry, so that's a better deal. That's a better deal. It's a better deal to say that they're $5 than buy one, get one free, because of course the gallons are more expensive. So it's the Grandes, just so let's clarify here just for a second, okay? You can never over communicate as far as I'm concerned. The Grandes, okay? You buy a Silver Falls, you get a Blew My Mind for free, right? Buy one, get one free. Gallons, $5 each. So this is a much better deal to say $5 than buy one, get one free. So any gallon annual, $5. Grandes, buy one, get one free. Got it? Okay, good. And the reason that we're doing this, full disclosure, right? Here we are, middle of July. We still have a good amount of inventory. These are annuals. There are a few exceptions that the plants will carry over. The lemon coral sedum, technically it'll be a perennial for us. if we don't sell these, then they go to waste. I would rather get them into your hands, get them into your garden, and let you enjoy them. Bring in the pollinators, bring in the hummingbirds, bring in all these beautiful colors into your space that you get to enjoy, than them just sitting here in a greenhouse and kind of withering away as the season goes on. So come take advantage of these fantastic deals. Remember, we are open Wednesdays through Saturdays, 8 to 1. We have shortened those hours just because it just gets so incredibly hot out here in the afternoon. Come early, you know, grab your cup of coffee, put your ball cap on. Don't worry about taking a shower. This is not a fashion show out here. Come out here, load up your car with all sorts of fantastic plants, go home, get your hands dirty, have fun, and sit back and enjoy. So again, so many beautiful things. I do want to show over here, pentas. We've got the pentas that are doing really well. The trailing hummingbird falls. This plant is one that we had talked about early in the season. We brought some more in and grew them out. This is the plum dandy, and I have, oh, I'm sorry, there was a leaf on it. Let me clean that off for you so that you can see that really well. So this is a foliage plant. So this is plum dandy. I was able to grab a couple of these before we reordered, and I have them in the cottage garden. They are exquisite. They have this beautiful green with this purple edging on them. It's like this kind of a bicolor effect on it. They'll get to be about like 10 to 16 inches tall, and then they get nice and wide. It is strictly for foliage, but it is stunning. I have these next to some jazzberry petunias. Gorgeous. Put them next to your lemon coral sedum. Remember, you don't have to have flowers necessarily to have a huge, beautiful impact. So this plum dandy is one of my new favorites. Of course, lemon coral sedum, I mean, this stuff, this is the one that is technically a perennial for us. Gorgeous, beautiful, matte, fantastic. Is more shade tolerant, or it can do the full sun. I mean, it's a sturdy plant. It's really fun. So that is great. And then outside we have more petunias. We've got sweet potato vine. We're not going to go out there because it's raining. Vermillionaire. Tons of lantana that's in the gallons that will be for the $5. But lots and lots of good things out here. Another reason why we close at 1 o'clock is because in the afternoon you get these pop-up thunderstorms, and that's just, yeah, we've had a ton of them lately, almost to the point of having a little bit, dare I say, too much moisture. So I'm not going to say that, because that, I know a lot of y'all are out there struggling and wishing for rain. But come see us, take advantage of these deals. Please come get these plants out of this greenhouse and into your garden. That is where we want these plants to be, so that they can grow and bloom and thrive, and that you can enjoy them and share them in your space. So come see us Wednesday through Saturdays, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. As always, thank you so much for gardening with Creekside. Y'all have a great day. We're going to go make a mad dash to the Polaris, and hopefully we won't get too wet. See y'all in the next video. Bye, friends.